Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I tell you how you can restore your home and office in Portland, Oregon. So without wasting any time, we start our video. So for this restoration that is caused by the flood, you need to go your browser Chrome, and here you can search water damage repair Portland, Oregon. After this you can tap on search button. You saw this interfere. Here you can get the services of water damage repair in Portland, USA. Water damage flood restoration. So this is the first website. You can also get their services. This is the call number of this website's owners. This is also a second website. This is also second web. Here you can also tap this number and get their services. This is the map. Here you can see the nearby services of your home. This is the first of all, you see this services: Meticulous Plumbing, ServPro of Southwest Portland. This is the call. This is the call number. This is the call button of this website management. So you can also call this 911 Restoration of Portland, Eagle Restoration LLC, and you can scroll, and this is the website. Here you can also get the services of this water damage restoration services in Portland. Click here and then you can scroll. So this is the restoration website, restoration services website. You can also call him. You can also check the ratings of this website. This is the original website. This is the call number. Vision restoration call, and you need to go restoration local website call. You can get the call number of this website management, United States. So this is also a website. Here you can get the top 10 best water damage restoration in Portland or Angie's list. Water damage restoration in Portland, Oregon. My server is changed, so this application is not opened. You can also call these websites 24-hour open. So this is the number of this website's management. There are also 3 numbers. Here you can call and get the services. This is the map. Here you can also get the services of this website in Portland, Oregon. Hope so you like this video. This is an informative video. Kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.